Welcome back to Sweet Home Gallery. If you are planning to design or renovate your staircase area, this video will give you stunning idea for staircase design, stair wall decoration and perfect tile combination that add beauty, style and luxury to your home. So watch till the end because each idea is better than the last. Let's begin. When it comes to staircase design, the goal is to balance functionality and aesthetic appeal. A staircase isn't just a path between floors, it's a style statement that concept the whole home. Glass railing staircase. If you love a modern and airy look, go for glass railing with sleek metal or wooden frames. They create an open feel and make your space look bigger and brighter. Floating stair design. Floating stairs are a big trend in modern homes. They give a luxury hotel vibe and can be paired with LED stripe light under each step for a glowing effect at night. Wood and metal combination. For a timeless look, use wooden stands with black or gold metal frames. This design looks elegant and suits both modern and classic interior. Spiral staircase. If you have less space, a spiral staircase is not only functional but also stylish. You can use marble or wooden steps with a designer railing for a classy touch. Concrete stair tiles textured finish. For minimalist or industrial style homes, concrete stair with matte or stone texture looks simple yet powerful. The stair wall is often overlooked, but it's actually a perfect space for creative decoration. Here are some beautiful stair wall ideas to make your home stand out. Gallery wall. Create a gallery of family photos, art frames, or inspiration quotes. Use matching frames for a clean and elegant look. LED wall panels. Add LED light panels or 3D wall texture behind the stairs. This instantly gives a rich and luxurious effect, especially in the evening. Stone or PVC wall panel. Use stone cladding, PVC wall panels or wooden textures for a natural, cozy feel. These materials are durable and easy to maintain. Mirror wall design. A mirror wall beside your staircase can make narrow area look more spacious and add a glamorous effect. Green wall or planter shelf. If you love nature, decorate your stair wall with indoor plants or a vertical green wall. This adds freshness and positive vibes to your space. Stair tiles and flooring ideas. Now let's talk about the tiles and flooring, the most important detail that decided your staircase overall look and safety. Marble tiles. For a premium and elegant feel, Italian marble or granite tiles are perfect choice. They shine beautifully and look luxurious. Wooden finish tiles. If you prefer a warm, cozy and natural vibe, go for wood look tiles. They are slip resistant and durable, ideal for both modern and traditional homes. Textured ceramic tiles. These tiles provide grip and safety, perfect for homes with kids or elderly people. You can choose from matte, rustic, or stone finishes. Pattern tiles for style. Add personality by using pattern tiles on the risers, the vertical part of the stairs. This small touch can turn your staircase into a piece of art. LED step tiles. Install LED light along the tiles edges. They make the staircase safer at night and look super modern. And that's it. From modern staircase design to stylish wall decor and creative tile ideas.
Like, share and subscribe to Sweet Home Gallery for your sweet home. Thanks for watching.